Confirmed tornadoes were reported in Illinois and Iowa last night. Look at this footage. It's from Montrose, Illinois. That's where homes were damaged and debris, as you see, was just sent flying through the air. Effingham County, where Montrose is located, reported extensive damage to homes, businesses and farms. There are no reports of serious injuries or deaths so far. In the South is still recovering from major flooding this week. Tropical Storm Arthur became the first named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season. It formed just off the Texas coastline and brought flooding that caused lakes to overflow in the Gulf states. This footage is from Louisiana. We're joined now by Jason Allen. He was in Texas yesterday. Now he's in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, with more on all of this. Jason, the tropical storm is now named. How are things where you are this morning?
Yeah, Errol, good morning. So Baton Rouge is one of those cities that has been under a flood watch because of Arthur and its remnants. The city making sandbags available to people because of some tremendous amounts of rain that were possible as the remnants of Arthur now pushes into Louisiana and across the South.
Sheets of heavy rain drenched parts of Texas Wednesday as Tropical Storm Arthur formed and strengthened. Driving quickly turned dangerous with water building up on roads. In Houston, the bad weather didn't stop soccer fans from attending a World Cup match, thankfully indoors.
I mean, weather, nothing you can do, right? But it's once in a lifetime.
And in Enterprise, Alabama, this funnel cloud related to the tropical storm prompted a tornado warning. Arthur caused flooding in parts of Louisiana. Aerial video shows water surrounding homes and covering roads in Bundick Lake after days of heavy rain caused it to rise and overflow its banks. In St. Tammany Parish, firefighters had to help some residents evacuate flooded areas. Elsewhere in the state, people filled sandbags to prepare for the rain as a threat of flash flooding continues even after Arthur has weakened.
God willing, this is, an adventure we won't have to go through, but just in case, we want to be safe.
There have been pockets of heavy rain here overnight. Up to 9 inches, though, has fallen in parts of Louisiana. If we go back to Sunday, just because of this weather pattern and then Arthur coming on shore. And Errol, this is just the beginning of a very long hurricane season that's still ahead.
Yeah. All right. We appreciate your reporting, Jason Allen in Louisiana for us.